Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing a custom Pikachu Squishmallow. We're going to start with the round shape first. So we're going to do the top of the head. And then we're going to do the two sides to start. And once you're done with that, we're going to curve the bottom to finish off the body as our base. Once you have the base in, we're going to draw Pikachu's ears, and it's going to be a round oval shape like that. Make sure to make it a little bit pointy at the top, and same thing on the other side. And with that done, we're just going to draw the two lines and color them in with black. Once you're there, we're going to add the two little arms on either side. And then we're going to start doing the face. It's going to be two round eyes in the middle. And then we're going to add a little highlight on the top left and color them in. And then another detail that Pikachu has is the big red cheeks, which we will draw on either side. And then we could just finish it off with the nose and mouth. So for the nose, it's just going to be a little small triangle. And the mouth is just going to be this nice wide W. To add a little bit more detail, we're going to draw the two little feet and then finally the tail. It's gonna, actually we don't really need the feet because that'll make it look extra fat. So let's just add the tail on the back and make it really soft and big. So we're going to go a rectangle like that. Go down once, down another time, and then retrace it on the other side like so. Let's see what else we could do to finish off this Pikachu. I think we could add the little brown patterning that he has on the outside, and then we just extend it a little bit in, like so. That should give us a nice look. Just giving more Pikachu elements to him. And I think that's looking good. We're just gonna add some color real quick. And there you have it. A custom made Pikachu Squishmallow. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.